Hi, kamusta po muli sa inyong lahat? Maikling paalala lang po na ang konseptong ito ay pagpapaliwanag at pagbabahagi sa inyo na ang produktong ito ay makakabuti para sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay at pangkaligtasan. For safety first. Isa na naman pong produkto ang nakakamangha na ibabahagi ko sa inyo. Ito po ay tinatawag na ELPD LED lights. Ang ELPD LED lights lamp ay may kakayahang tanggalin ang anumampong virus sa inyong katawan. Usok tulad ng sigarilyo, mabahong amoy, mga insekto tulad ng lamok at iba pa. Napakaganda po ng produktong ito dahil sa ngayon, napakarami po ang mga virus na hindi natin nakikita. Lalo na sa school, saan man pong parte ng lugar, hospital, hotel, or something na pinupuntahan natin araw-araw. Kaya napakaganda po ng product na ito na ma-install po sa ating bahay, tulad nga po ng sinabi ko, school, hotel, hospital, lahat po ng mga yan. Napakaganda po na meron tayo ng produktong ito. Ito po ang hinahanap nating produkto na makakatulong sa atin sa ating mga pangkalusugan at pangkaligtasan. At para naman po sa inyong mga katanungan, meron po kami mga CP number na nakalagay po sa aming screen. Pakitawagan na lang po kung meron po kayong mga ibang katanungan at nais mang itanong. Just chat or call. Yun lamang po. At para sa mas magandang kaalaman, panoorin po natin ang bidyong ito.
Let me explain the capless LED sterilizing lights. The key feature is that it is a dual sterilizing LED that uses 405 nanometers and 610 nanometers wavelengths, verified by Harm-Free KB, Biotech, Test, Institution, to sterilize 99% of bacteria. Additionally, it is a flicker-free LED product that enables normal lights and sterilizing lights simultaneously, depending on the presence of the users, using a human body detection sensor. Also, we used a patented technology which we removed the electrical capacitor from the converter to improve the lifespan to 3 times longer than general LED lights. We also minimized electronic malfunctioning with the lowest THD products. We are the first procurement industry to guarantee 5 years of warranty through this technology. Let me show you the product overview. While the previous UV lights are within 100-400 nanometers wavelength that allow sterilization, but also directly harm humans, we used 405 nanometers and 610 wavelengths that are harmless to humans. We used LED 30W and 40WH lighting and 8W sterilizing lights to sterilize the area through air movement, such as air rise and air fall. This product is special because you can utilize its sterilizing function and long-lasting feature through capless converter technology at the same time. Normally it could be used as an ordinary LED light, but it changes into a sterilizing light through human body detection sensor when the user is not present. This is a 5-year warranty, guaranteed, product through the warranty bond for the first time in the procurement industry. We provide prompt service through agreements with local repair centers. There are a total 3 edge types of products in LED power. We promise innovative warranty as well as a more affordable price compared to other products. Let me introduce the LED Dual Sterilizing Light Certification. This product holds certifications of NEP, Excellent Procurement Product, KS Certification, Environment Sign, and GPAS. It also can be procured through private contracts. Thank you.
Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat, mga kaibigan, mga kasama, mga kapatid. Just like, follow, and share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.